Okay, you guys, welcome back to Much I Love to Do. I went to Walmart today by my house again. Sorry my voice sounds kind of weird. I was really sick the past 2 days. I'm getting a little better now, so my voice sounds kind of weird. I'm sorry. So I got the demo derby, guys, even though I had it once, but I'm gonna unbox it again. How's my trucks Hot Wheels demo derby? Pretty cool. Name: Hot Wheels demo derby, truck type SUV, strength, spray painted wheels, crash attack, power slide punch. Really cool. I need Tiger Shark and have this whole case already. So here it is. Get to the unboxing now. Let me try from the bottom. I just made it worse. Sorry, guys. Okay. Here it is, guys. So here it is, the spray paint happy face with the X's and the I's, 68. The tires are really nice. The teal blue roll cage, yellow chassis, of course. Red rim and black rim and beadlock with the black tire with the yellow pinch, the pin striping. 68. Hot Wheels. Pretty cool, and the back is not hollow like previous ones. So that's all I got today, guys. Like, subscribe, comment, share, cast more unboxings coming soon. Peace out. Hope you enjoyed.